What is up, friends and family? It's your David Goggins of the Double Bottom. Hope you're doing absolutely sensational. This is a chart of Square. And my boy Thomas Wong sold an April covered call at 170 on March 22nd. I actually had one at 135 expiring this Friday. My current plan on Square is to repurchase some more. Right now I have 219 shares, just slowly tiptoeing into this one because I do think a bottom is close and this is an accumulation phase. Here's the weekly 200 double bottom, close above and retesting that from the bottom. So all up in this general area, I'll be buying some shares slowly. Very, very slowly, as Square has had a dramatic pullback of 71-ish%. So as of right now, slowly legging in, buying low, and selling high on Square. That is my thoughts on that one. Quick updates. We had some swing trades from the afternoon swing trade review that have been going over really well. What I want to do is walk you through some of those trades, but most importantly, show you why we got into them. So Hershey's, this was a trade that worked out well enough for me to buy candy for the next 3 years. Ticker symbol HSY. This is when we saw the trade. And actually one of our members, a brand new member, brought this one to our attention. And I was like, wow, that's a great setup. So we had two things that I loved about this trade. Number one, hammer candle. Number two, above the 10 EMA. Number three, volume was really nice. Number four, trend is bullish. Number five, I know exactly what Hershey's is. Number six, I love the company. All things pointed to going higher, so we bought with a breakout above this candle. It looked just like this, so we set up a limit buy. Also, if you were not already in, to get in at 207.14, that filled that day. Inside candle, compression was building, and it popped a little bit higher the next day. Notice the lows of these two candles are the exact same. That showed a lot of bullish pressure, a lot of sentiment, so I added to my position. It gapped up the next day, in fact, opening above the open of the prior day bearish candle. That's a very strong day trade indicator as well, which I'll show you on NVIDIA in just a moment. Anyway, we hit the target today, and that was the trade on Hershey. So speaking of that trade on NVIDIA, this was just yesterday, and we were day trading this one. You'll notice that NVIDIA did in fact open above the open of the bear candle. The open was 261.26, the open of this 261.66. So by 40 cents, we opened above that open, creating a nice bullish gap and go. Even though it's a common opening gap, it's a very strong one. And we had a lot of traders make some gargantuan gains on NVIDIA yesterday. Speaking of gargantuan gains, here was a 3R trade that Dan Jansen did on NVIDIA, bearish actually. So it's a little bit hard to see, but I'll kind of zoom in. This was on the 23rd, so 2 days ago. Let's go look at that trade because I think it was a remarkable day trade, and I would love for you to see how clean and easy this one was. So zooming into right here, this is it. The 10 EMA strategy. First bull candle closing below the 10 EMA. Entry was there, stop was there, squashed. This thing really dropped super hard, and that was a phenomenal 3R trade. We are up 11.3 Rs for the month of March in just our day trades for the trading room. We are on fire, and we've really turned the ship around with the group phenomenal individuals. All right, so another quick swing trade that did not work out. Let's go look at Estée Lauder. When I say it did not work out, it hasn't stopped us out yet, but so far it's not working out. Just want to show you what one looks like when it doesn't do amazing. This was the bear 10 EMA candle, right? Nice high wave candle closing above the 10 EMA. The next day, it actually gapped up and broke above here, so we simply did a limit buy to buy the pullback, and we got triggered in the very next day on that drop. So this is where we are present day. We're down about 1/4 of an R right now. It doesn't look awesome, but we haven't gotten stopped out. We'll see if it works, but I did want to show you that one trade that's not doing anything incredibly amazing. But you know what is doing incredibly amazing? Evergy, EVRG. Another swing trade that we did in the afternoon swing trading room, and let's just walk you through this one. Look at this compression. Look at this volume right here. So you have a lot of bears piling in. You had a clean series of higher lows. You had a really nice obvious resistance right here. Bear candle, bear candle, bear candle, bear candle. So we said, hey, if it breaks above, maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. Let's get in, stop right here, target right here for a 1.2R trade. And again, it doesn't matter how much shares you're trading or how much your R is, but if you're doing a $400 risk unit, you got triggered in, you're up on that. Closing above that indecision candle is a nice little potential spot to add, and target hits today. That could have been a $400 trade in 3 days. And for you, maybe that's an amazing, amazing thing. It's an amazing thing to me. Should be an amazing thing to you, right? $400, you can pay off your car payment for the month. You can pay your electricity bill, your water bill, maybe your grocery bill for a day or two, unless you have 7 kids, in which case it's a grocery bill for a day. Either way, this is a remarkable trade, all using that 10 EMA strategy that we are focusing on for 2022. My mission is to enrich lives and to enrich your life. Thank you so much for being here on the channel. Make sure to hit that red subscribe button. I want to continue to pour in light, love, energy into your world and ensure that you create cash flow from the markets. You rock, and I'll see you on Monday. Goodbye. Bing, bong, boom. Done. Easy, simple, clean, efficient. You are amazing. Thanks for watching.